Hey guys, today we're gonna do a little bit of Chainsaw Damascus. The post that a couple, well one of you, have been waiting for. So I'm gonna get the forge fired up, and then we're gonna look at me welding the chainsaw blade together with heat. Alright guys, let's go into the fire for another round. Alright guys, here we go. Fluffed it with borax. For anyone who doesn't know, borax is a good flux for making Damascus. It's kind of like in welding. With an inert gas, it shields it from too much oxidation. Hey guys, this is after I sanded off the oxidation and stuff of the Chainsaw Damascus billet. Obviously back here, that's where it was welded up and everything, and so you cut that off when you get ready to make the blade. But this part here, this is a nice Damascus chainsaw billet. So this is the first Damascus I've ever made, and it was successful. So I appreciate all my subscribers, and I'm glad you guys are watching this. So please comment, like, and subscribe.